to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be filming this glitter neon green eyeshadow tutorial. I feel like this will be super great for the summer since it's coming to an end. I really like how this makeup look turned out, and it's very bronzy. The neon colors is just obsessed with this look, and I'm really excited to show you guys how to create this eyeshadow look for you guys and just do like my usual makeup routine tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so off camera I did my eyebrows and I also primed my eyelid and set it with powder. Link everything down below, what products I used to do my eyebrows and the products that I set my eyelid. The eyeshadow I'm going to be using is Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I was thinking creating a cut crease glitter neon green eyeshadow, and I wanted to do that and show you guys how to create that using this palette. I'm going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and the first shade I'm going to go in is yellow shade, which is this shade right here. Apply this on my whole my crease as my first base. And I like to grab a little bit more of the product because I feel like it doesn't grab that much product, so I like to go in a little bit more in the shade back and forth like swirls. I'm gonna go like kind of like not too close to my brow bone, but I'm gonna like kind of leave it like right in the center and also kind of like smudge it just to blend well. Going in with this neon green matte shade, I like to apply this kind of like in the middle of my crease, and what I like to do is I like to kind of like blend it, and I like to go back and forth and kind of like give it a little smudge to have that very smoky. I like to take it to the inner corner so that way I can see my yellow shade and my neon green shade, so all the colors can really reflect and show all the patterns. Be taking this green shade right here. This shade I'm actually going to apply it in the outer V, and what I'm gonna do is a little bit more of a dark green V, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of give it a little swirls and then kind of like smudge it and kind of blend it in. And I am using this type of angle to do a little smoky in the outer V. And then I like to go like kind of like halfway in the inner corner. I'm going to apply it in my lid and then just kind of like give it a little swirl. And I just like to go ahead and apply a little bit more because I do want it to be very nice and smoky in the outer V, kind of like halfway to your inner corner. The neon green, the lightest shade, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it so it won't be any like harsh lines. I'm gonna go back with the yellow shade and I'm just gonna blend the top. My ColourPop concealer, this brush right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just create a cut crease. Be taking this, the lightest like green glitter shade, and I'm gonna apply this in my cut crease. Harsh line, but we're gonna blend everything in so it can look pretty much blend well or blendable, and you won't see that really harsh line. Darkest greenish shade that we apply as our outer V, and we're gonna apply this, blend it in with the cut crease so you won't see that really harsh line. And just fix the eyeshadows. I'm going back with the lightest shade which is the green, neon green. So I'm gonna go back with the yellow shade, apply it on top of my brow bone so that way it can reflect the colors. We're gonna go back later and finish up the eyeshadow, but first we're gonna start with our face. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild face primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Covergirl True Blend Matte Matte Foundation. This one is the shade Classic Ivory. I'm gonna apply like 3 dots on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer. My concealer in my bottom. I'm gonna be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna apply it a little bit on my chin area, down the bridge of my nose, and then a little bit on my forehead. Blend my under eye concealer. Go ahead and take my Hoola stick bronzer. And I'm gonna apply it on my forehead as well. I do want this look to be a little bit bronzy. Set my under eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Becca setting powder. My under eye. I like to take a little bit of the powder and kind of apply it in my nose area. Around my chin. And then around my nose, because around my mouth area and my chin, because that's where it gets a little bit crazy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Contour palette, mixing these 2 shades right here. Apply it on my forehead area. I'm gonna go in with my Innocent blush. This one is the Satin Coral. Go ahead and go upwards so it can blend with my contour. Back and finish up the eyes. And take the dark green shade right here. Bottom lash line, I kind of connect it. And take this yellow shade right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Kinda in my bottom lash line, kinda mix it so it can show like 2 shades. My E.l.f. eyeliner. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Apply mascara in my bottom lashes. I go in with my Strobe and Glow Academic of Color, taking Luster, which is more like a silver shade right here, in a corner of my eye, and on my brow bone. And with the same shade, and I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna go and apply a point of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, my cute visible area, the temples of my forehead. For lips, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie cosmetic liner, Dolce K, and I'm just gonna line up my lips. Lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline lipstick in Driver. I'm gonna go in with my Innocent lip gloss. This one is the shade Nude Candy. Set my face, I'm gonna go in with my M.A.C, my Prep and Prime Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love how everything turned out, especially the eyeshadow. Wasn't expecting this, it just came in my mind and I was like, I'm hungry, but with glitter, and just makes it more different. Very bronzy for like a summer makeup look. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge big thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.